Hello, welcome to the Currency Spot. Today is Tuesday, the 26th of October. So let's take a look at price action today on the euro. We did have a little bit of dollar strengthening today. As you can see, we from Europe about 4.50 in the morning, we dropped all the way down. What's that, about close to a little over 120 pips. So we've had a little drop, a little retracement in that. Looks like the euro's having a tough time holding above 140, so that'll be something to watch in the near-term future. See if we get a little more dollar strength out of that. We did get a pip trade, 5 to 10 pip trade last night in the euro. Pretty small in the Asia session, and the US session has not been doing a lot the past 3 days, so we actually haven't taken too many trades. So we're kind of doing both US and Asia to see what trades work out best. So today, a couple nice setups. If we get some momentum, I would definitely buy a break above this level here, recent highs on the euro. I'd buy at about 138.67. That's an Alcatraz trade. On the low side, we could sell below this level, 138.23. Otherwise, we could move this up to get a little more aggressive, maybe look at a sell below the 139, 140 mark. But again, that's being a little more aggressive. I'd prefer to sell below the daily. These are today's lows, so that's where I'd prefer to sell. Wait for a close below those lows and maybe sell there if we get continued weakness on the euro. Let's take a look at the Aussie dollar. What I did on the Aussie dollar is I drew a quick channel in the 5-minute charts. I've been doing a lot of channel trading lately, and it's been it's been very successful. So what I'm doing here is I'm showing this channel. If we get a break, we're close above the pivot. Today's pivot is 98.62. If we get up above recent highs here and get up to 72, 73 level, pull back, I would put an order in for 98.67, and I would buy that and use this channel as my guide all the way up. And once we break below, you can follow a stop below the channel, but I do like that trade right now. And remember, the overall trend right now is up. So we have retraced a little bit, but I still prefer buying because the overall trend is up, and you will typically get your biggest runs when you follow the overall trend. And the Aussie, it's dropped a little bit, but not as much as the euro. So I really like the Aussie strength. So that today is my favorite trade, a channel trade with the pivot, with a close above pivot. That's your currency spot update for the 26th. Happy trading and keep your stock.